So it's time for another pond update video. As you can see, our little fountain is doing a whale of a job helping clean this place up. Yeah, if you believe that, maybe it was 10 times larger, maybe. No, it's been a lot of work. I've been doing some combination of a little bit of algaecide and then just taking the pool skimmer and scooping off all of the algae. And then we had a big storm come through that washed some of it off. It helped quite a bit. But yeah, it's been a lot of work. Put many hours out here scooping this stuff, getting it out of here, but we're making huge progress here. And I put some pond dye in here as well. And of course, the big storm washed a bunch of that out and had to put more in. And we had a little bit of rain come through here last night, but we're trying to keep up with it. We did get a bottom aerator put in here. Right now I have one of the bubblers in here in the shallow end. We've been turning it on, starting out 15-20 minutes a day, trying to work it up until that big storm come through and made this place really muddy. Then we had to turn it off for a couple days because all my research says if we run it while it's really muddy, it can suffocate the fish because it just turns it over even more. So I left it off for those few days. Now we've moved it over a little bit. Now we got this cleaned off here into the middle of that to try to help break some of that stuff up and hopefully get it to drift over here again, because it's a lot harder to get it, scoop it off that reaching down end than it is off this side. But once we get that off, we should be pretty good to start actually maintaining it. I did get some of those muck dissolving tablets put in there. We're gonna start putting that in every month, try to maintain this place. And we got a second bubbler to put in. We're gonna put it in over on that side yet. We haven't done it yet. Once we determine exactly where we want this one to stay, then we'll tidy up all the hoses, tie everything up, work nice and neatly, and then get the other one installed. So while our little fountain may not actually be doing a whole lot, it is kind of neat to watch it float around and see where it ends up at, because it ends up all over the pond, and especially when it gets into the algae and where it ends up at. But and it makes a nice talking point to tell people that, yeah, that's what's cleaning up the pond.